Brown praying mantis. So take a look into this guy. I found this in the cornfield in this farm. So this guy, so very friendly. So I easily catch this praying mantis, as you can see. His color was great. So that's the praying mantis. This is the close-up of the praying mantis.